favorite moments, I can only use one word: growth. I have grown from supplement sales executive to a senior sales executive and now an online development executive.
It is the greatest thing to see my clients' products taking pride of place in the paper.
When Michael Manley passed away, and I had to do over the front page.
Meeting our former chairman, Honorable Gordon Woodstewart.
My favorite moment so far has been visiting the various departments and see the team working in harmony.
My most memorable moment at the Jamaica Observer is when we all get together for a fun day.
My favorite moment as an HR practitioner. We watch these young talents coming in, being able to be a part of their development.